Okay, guys, it is 2:12 in the afternoon. Me and Shawn are going on the boat, but everybody is convincing me to try to wakeboard. So I'm gonna strap this GoPro to my chest and try to wakeboard for the first time. Stay with me.
I'm ready. I'm not ready. All right, let's try this. All right. Yep. All right, let's try this. Yep. Give her a little more. All right, give her. Give her. All right, I'm ready to do a backflip. All right. All right, get me up.
All right, here we go. Backflip time. No one's ever gonna believe it.
Hey, do multi-species count? Little northern. Buzzbait. Oh, got him still. Yep. Told you we were gonna bang one. Another northern.
That's a nice one though.
Nice.
Don't know the number.
Right? Thought that was very top water shot. It looks like a little northern again. Yeah. Little snake. Oh, you feisty, are we? Thank you, buddy. Yeah. This battery's like dead.
Is that big one?
Yeah.
bass. I saw that one come up. Drag was set loose as a dick. You hear that?
Yeah.
Sounded like a cinder block got thrown into the water. Another northern. I seen that one. That was a northern. I seen his tail come up and hit it. Grabbed it twice. Damn, I was looking at that skidoo. Skidoo.
That one?
Yeah. Came up and mollywopped it.
You got a dark one on it.
Yeah. Came up and just ham-boned it. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. That's my name too. Where there's a fish, he needs to bite my hook so I can put him in the boat. Hey, where is where are the fish? Where are the fish? Oh, he's shitting me. Oh, you had him? Yeah. I heard him suck it down. Get it back over there. I was gonna cast at that point too. Got him. Open that. Oh. Is it northern?
That was a huge one. That was a bigger one. Got a little bit of length.
We're gonna circle this.
We'll go on around and we'll hit this side. And we'll hit this other side back a little bit.
Right. Oh, I missed him, Shawn. I missed him. Right back. Yeah. I seen him taking. I let it sit. Ripped the hook right off his mouth. You a shark fishing guy?
Huh?
I said, am I shark fishing? Just barely sucked it in. Yes, sir, I do need me a beer. Thank you. Ah, America. Thick patch of weeds. I'm sitting in weeds right now. Ooh, missed one. There he is. Ah. Yup. It was another northern. I seen him swim right there. Ooh, there you go, Shawn. Get him out of there. Don't let him get in those weeds. It's a bass. Nice, Shawn.
Finally a bass. Okay, that's a nice little guy.
There you go.
Bass turtle, I got one.
Oh yeah, back there. Look at that. Oh my god. I was stuck in that brown tree.
Yep.
killed him.
Damn.
Another one, I saw it.
I think that was bad.
Yeah.
I had a feeling throwing across there that one was gonna come up too.
That's probably the one that hit mine 5 minutes ago, right in that spot. Come on, Shawn, smash one more. Take it right off that point. Oh, you missed him again off the point. You got him? Keep your rod up. A little bass.
Nice.
Little bass. Sitting on that point this whole time.
Yeah. Same size as the other one, a little bit smaller.
A little smaller, about a 9-incher. That's what she said.
Barely got him on that one.
Well, at least you finally got him, though. Been chasing him now for the past half hour.
Little top water buzzbait action. Let's go find your daddy.
Alright everybody, it is Monday. It is about 10 o'clock right now. Me and Shawn are packing up our stuff. We are getting ready to leave Post Lake right now. We had an awesome time fishing. We ended up catching a couple fish, not as much as we wanted to. Shawn has to work today at about 3 o'clock, so we have a few hours to get back to Milwaukee so Shawn can get ready for work. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on a new episode. Peace. So it was Monday. Me and Shawn left. The rest of my family stayed up there until Saturday. That Friday, Wisconsin had really bad storms. Tornadoes came down and winds were blowing super hard. Sunset View ended up getting hit and a bunch of trees came down. Cars and property were both damaged. Let's take a look at some of the pictures my family sent me. So this is my mom and stepdad's truck. Also see the tree on top of the cabin. Here's the same tree and same truck, just a different angle. Here you see it busted out all the glass in the back. One of the tree branches went straight through the truck bed, piercing through it and into the gas tank. Now here are some pictures of my uncle's boat. Trees knocked all over on top of it. Here's a closer view of the back of it. And this picture was taken right after the storm. You can see it's folded up like a taco. Here are some pictures of more of my family's cars damaged, and the damage to the property also. Now this is a picture of the Eagle cabin, and this is a picture of the inside of the Eagle cabin. And here are some more pictures of trees that damaged the cabins. Now Carrie and Jarrett's spirits are high. They're cleaning up, they're getting things back in order. I'm not too sure when the cabins will be available for rental again, but if you're ever in need of one of the best Long Island iced teas, go check out their tavern at Sunset View Resort in Elko, Wisconsin.